root causes?
Nowadays, the corruption term is very common in India. There are so many reasons are there. That is actually depends on the individual people of the country. In my opinion, I am not going to the root cause. Just I want to tell you that we should protest against this individual basis, and those who are protesting against the corruption, we should support them directly or indirectly. That's all.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
So, what do you think about corruption in India?
I think corruption and democracy are the son of same father.
Right. So, what do you think about the causes of corruption?
I think good governance will be resigned, one of the strongest reasons.
And
Because most of the party does not following good governance. If they will keep it in their mind, then they will definitely go some positive result.
and how do you think we can remove corruption from our system and from our country?
For that, you have to be a part of the system, and for that, you have to be a part. You have to be into the system.
What's your view on corruption? What is corruption?
Yeah, corruption is cancer to the civilized society. The corruption, it is practiced by many persons to reduce the work, that it is in a shortcut to the work, which damages the work interest and moral of many people. The corruption can only be reduced by the strict law, and immediate action. So I think that it needs to be bring change in the present judicial system.
Because due to this corruption, our economy is going down. So many corruptions we are hearing from the media persons. I do not describe the name of that, but every day new things is coming in that. So if someone should really wants to remove that, the person should have a love to its country. If anybody loving to its country, he or she will not do anything wrong that will affect our nation.
So, what according to you are the causes of corruption? Why is the corruption in our system only but lacking in the other systems?
The corruption is actually coming from what? It is due to the
Greed.
you can say running behind some money. Money has been given some weightage more than the knowledge. If that part is greater than the knowledge, the corruption will always be there. If someone, if I want to remove, then everybody should give a respect to a knowledge, despite this money. Then automatically it will.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you think about corruption in India?
करप्शन हिंदुस्तान की नस नस में घुस गया है. इट राइट फ्रॉम द एडमिशन ऑफ केजी स्टूडेंट्स. पेरेंट्स स्कूल में जाते हैं तो दे आस्क फॉर द डोनेशन, ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डोनेशन. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द रेपुटेशन ऑफ ए स्कूल. तो उसमें जो पैसा डोनेशन का मांगता है वो भी करप्शन है. अभी एक बार पेरेंट ने पैसा दे दिया तो जहाँ भी जॉब करता है उधर से रिकवर करने का कोशिश करेगा. तो ये चेंज चालू हो जाएगा. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल ही इज वर्किंग इन महसूल डिपार्टमेंट, रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट. उसके पास कोई भी आया तो उसके पास से सपोज ही हैज गिवन फॉर दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल 5 लाख रुपीज एज ए डोनेशन. तो 5 लाख रुपीज जितना जल्दी हो सके इतना कवर करने का कोशिश करेगा. तो एक आपको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए ओबीसी का, तो वो मांगेगा कि भाई तुम मुझे 500 रुपया दो तो मैं दूंगा. उधर से चालू हो जाएगा. And that has percolated right up to the root in India. नीचे तक पहुंच गया है.
Sir,
और right from layman up to minister, corruption चलता ही है. Actually flow cannot start from bottom to top. Flow will start from top to bottom. तो अपना मिनिस्टर लोग ही करप्शन कर रहा है, बेच देता है अपना माइंस. इंडिया हैज गॉट इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. अपना जितना रिसोर्सेज है वर्ल्ड में किधर भी नहीं है. अब जस्ट यू टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ बिहार, झारखंड, कितना रिसोर्सेज है, कितना वोट्स है. अभी उसका बाहर ऑक्शन करो तो आपको जितना पैसा मिलता है वो करते नहीं है सरकार. डायरेक्टली बेच देते हैं अपने वाले जो पहचान वाले उसको बेच देगा. उसमें से जो पैसा मिलेगा उधर से करप्शन स्टार्ट होता है. बाद में मिनिस्टर भी ऐसा सोचेगा, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट वाला भी ऐसा सोचेगा, जितना डिपार्टमेंट का हमारा बॉस करता है तो क्यों नहीं. अभी वी वर कंसिडरिंग अवर मिलिट्री टू बी प्योर. तो अभी हमने देखा मिलिट्री में क्या हुआ, प्लेन परचेस करने में अपना जो चीफ ऑफ द एयर विंग का था, he has made 3 crore rupees out of this. तो वही टॉप लेवल ही करेगा तो सोल्जर तक भी परकोलेट होगा. सो दिस इज अ चेंज.
सर आपको क्या लगता है कि हम करप्शन को अपने सिस्टम से कैसे हटा सकते हैं?
वो तो यू यंगस्टर्स कैन डू. You will be the future managers and so many persons will be working under you. आप अगर होने से आपने देखा वो अपनी क्या नाम है उधर, इसको जो सस्पेंड किया ना यूपी गवर्नमेंट, लेडी दुर्गा दुर्गा और दूसरा वो राजस्थान वाला जिसने सोनिया गांधी के जमाई को पकड़ा था,
उसका नाम ठीक याद नहीं.
बराबर है. उसका 42 टाइम्स चेंज हुआ फिर भी उसका एटीट्यूड बदला नहीं है. दुर्गा का देखो, उसका मॉरल अभी तक कोई तोड़ नहीं सका. तो यू एज अ मैनेजर्स कैन डू लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. तो वो रिवॉल्यूशन करना पड़ेगा जैसे अन्ना हजारे ने किया था.
थैंक यू सर. Thank you, sir.
According to me, root cause of corruption would be a man's his or her greed. To remove, the main reason is greed. If you are contented and satisfied with what you have, there is no place for corruption, and that is the greed.
Okay, what do you think? How can we get rid of corruption?
Yeah, it's a simple way, simple but complicated. You could have a clean mind and have a clean mind and a peaceful heart, or as in a good heart. So that.
Okay. Yeah. And what would you prefer? An easier way to solve a problem or a normal way to go according to procedure?
Obviously, mostly normal only, because why to waste money?
Okay, what do you think is the root cause of corruption?
I think the dirty minds of the ministers and all the politicians is the root cause of this corruption.
From your way, what do you think? How can we get rid of it?
I think we should bring transparency in whole system, from ministers to all the lower level ministers.
Okay, and what would you prefer? An easier way to approach a problem or a normal way?
I think we should bring a law to get rid of this corruption, because if you see other countries, they are pretty ahead of our country, and we are lot of backward and orthodox.
So you would prefer the normal way, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. What is the root cause of corruption according to you?
According to me, the corruption is the misleading an organization or a system. Right? Actually, it happens because of the normal route takes more time. It consumes more time to do my task, because always we are trying to do our task and everything in easier way and with the less consumption of time.
And what do you think? How can we get rid of corruption?
Transparency, because we have to make it transparent. The entire organization. If we can transparent our entire organization or the system, the corruption will be less. And the next thing, we have to minimize the consumption of time as much as possible, because otherwise in my point of view, we cannot minimize the corruption, because we always trying to do our task in easier way.
And so what would you prefer, an easier way to go or a normal way?
Easier way, obvious, because I want to take less time to do my tasks, because I don't have enough time. Time is a scarce resource.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Okay, what do you think is the root cause of corruption?
I think the mentality of common people. They want to do their work quickly, and because the normal system takes longer time, they prefer by doing their work by corruption. So,
from your point of view, how can we get rid of corruption?
As I said, by changing the mentality, because the common people think that why should he go for the common route, because it takes longer time. If this mentality can be changed, then we can prevent corruption.
So what would you prefer, a normal way to go or an easier way?
I would prefer normal way.
What do you think is the root cause of corruption?
According to me, the root cause of corruption is Indian bureaucracy, because in India the total system is corrupt. Means if any person wants to do his work, he has to go. If he goes through normal way, then he has to take, means if he will be doing that work in a long time. But if he goes through means corruption, then he will be doing that same work in a shorter way. That's why.
Okay, so how do you think we can get rid of it?
we can get rid of it by creating awareness among the people that what is corruption means, how what they are doing, what they can do to prevent corruption. Because if corruption is prevented means if the corruption is prevented, then our country can be ahead of many other countries in the world.
Okay, so what would you prefer at last? An easier way or a normal way?
Means that will be depending upon the situation. Means if I am having time, then I will be prefer the normal way, that is through law. And if I have to do that same work in a shorter period of time, then I will prefer the easier.
आपके हिसाब से भ्रष्टाचार के मुख्य कारण क्या है?
मेरे को लगता है भ्रष्टाचार सबसे ज्यादा तो बड़े लेवल पे है, तो मतलब जो पॉलिटिकल लोग हैं जैसे पार्टी वार्टियां, तो हमारे देश में देखा जाता है कि मतलब लोग अक्सर हम लोग बहुमत ज्यादा जीत ही नहीं पाते हैं। मतलब जो भी है सब 40-30 फिर वो कंबाइन होकर सरकार बनाती है तभी होता है। तो मेन भ्रष्टाचार वहीं से शुरू होता है, लोग किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे।
और आपके हिसाब से भ्रष्टाचार से हम देश को कैसे मुक्त कर सकते हैं?
भ्रष्टाचार से देश को मुक्त करने के लिए हम लोग को सबसे पहले खुद से शुरू होना पड़ेगा। मतलब छोटी सी चीजों से ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि भ्रष्टाचार आज भारत में तो हर जगह में फैला हुआ है। तो मतलब छोटे से छोटे चीज मतलब हम खुद को सुधारेंगे तभी देश को सुधार सकते हैं।
और आपके सामने अगर दो रास्ते हैं तो आप कौन सा चुनोगे? इजी रास्ता चुनोगे, फास्ट रास्ता चुनोगे, या फिर एक नॉर्मल रास्ता कानून के हिसाब से?
तो मैं जैसे कि बोला कि हम लोग पहले खुद को सुधारेंगे तभी देश को सुधार सकते हैं। तो हम लोग को पहले लोअर लेवल पे, मतलब मैं तो अपने तरफ से तो मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं कानूनी रास्ता चुनूं।
So what is the main cause of corruption?
I think the main cause of corruption is the mindset of the people.
Okay, how can we get rid of corruption in the country?
To get rid of corruption in the country, you need to make sure that the work the people do are satisfactory. Their needs are satisfactory for them, so that they don't become greedy. They have what they want.
Okay, and if you have two options, what would you prefer? An easier way or faster way, or a normal way?
I would prefer the way whichever my work gets done on time. That's what it matters.
From your point of view, what is the main cause of corruption?
According to me, first cause is we ourselves. Okay, initially we want to do our work as quick as possible, and therefore we prefer to give money and do get our work done much quicker. Okay, and second stage is, I think, when people which are not enough qualified enough to be at some level, or you're getting me. Okay, so they try to make more money than they deserve. So according to me, these two are main causes.
Okay, then how can we get rid of corruption?
Yeah, initially we should think of nation first. Okay, when we are thinking of building some nation or building our nation, we should stop doing things which will affect our nation. So initially we should stop ourselves from doing corruption, and then we should appeal to wherever we are nurturing. Okay, to our very close environment.
Okay, and if you have two paths to choose, which one would you prefer? An easier or a faster way, or a normal way?
Obviously, it's very difficult to choose something difficult, but for future benefits, we should always do what is correct. And for me, I'll always do.
So, what is the main cause of corruption according to you?
The main cause of corruption, according to me, is population, because as the population increases, the chances of unemployment increases, and as unemployment increases, people choose to earn through more unethical ways. So that's the main thing behind corruption, according to me.
Okay, so how can we get rid of it, of the corruption?
We can get rid of corruption by increasing transparency in all the systems, and by paying all the taxes at time.
Okay, and if you have two paths to choose, which one would you prefer? An easier or faster way, or the normal way according to the law?
A normal way according to the law.
When the word corruption is put forward, what is the one thing you associate with it?
Indian government.
Your thoughts on corruption on in day-to-day life? I mean, do you come across anything corruption when you're going around?
Yeah, actually, once I was caught without helmet riding a scooty. It's like I had to give him 700 rupees just for not wearing a helmet.
So you got it by paying a bike?
Yes, I got it.
If given a choice to get your work done in a normal way or an easier way, which one would you prefer?
A normal way.
Normal way. So, fine, that's okay. Can you think of ways to get rid of corruption in this Indian scenario?
The mindset of people should change. That's how we can get rid of corruption.
And India is corrupt. What do you think about it?
Yeah, actually.
When the word corruption is put forward to you, what is the one thing that comes in your mind?
It's a way of life.
So you think corruption is part of your day-to-day life?
It's come to a point where it's not exactly a choice people make anymore.
So can you think of ways you can avoid or reduce the level of corruption?
Why would I want to do that? I get things done how I want it, when I want it. Why would I want to change that?
So if given a choice to do your work in a normal way or an easier way, which one would you prefer?
See, we're living in India. It's not a question of whether it's a normal way or an easier way. It's more or less become the only way.
So you mean to say when I study the word India is corrupt, so you would agree with it or you disagree with it?
I'd shake your hand because that's the world we live in now. Not just the world, it's our nation. Our nation is corrupt. There's nothing we can do about it.
When the word corruption is put forward to you, what do you associate it with?
I associate it with paying money to get the things done in an easier way.
Do you experience corruption in your day-to-day life?
Yes, I do. Example, I was showing a railway. For that, instead of paying a fine, the TC asked for a small bribe.
Alright. Then, if given a choice to get your work done in an easier way or a normal way, which one would you prefer?
Normal way, of course.
Normal way. Alright. If I tell you this statement, India is corrupt, what does one thing come in your mind? Is it yes or is it no? Or
Of course it's corrupt. It's really corrupt, and I don't think we would be able to get rid of this corruption unless we change our basic
when the
minds.
word corruption is put forward to you, what is the thing you associate it with?
The way how I'm forced to get my stuff done.
So you believe if you're given a choice to do a normal way or an easier way, which one would you prefer?
Everyone prefers an easier way. Anything can be done easier, then I would choose for that.
Although it's corrupt way.
No, yeah, it depends. If there's a way which does involve corruption and if it's easier, I would prefer that. But if it's not that, then yeah, it's good.
So you believe in your day-to-day life corruption is just there?
Yeah, it's fused in the society. Everyone is corrupt. I mean, it's like we don't have an idealistic society now. So if you provide with someone with something that can be done easily, they would choose that.
So do you think there's a way to get rid of corruption in the grassroots level?
Not really. Until unless there's something in which every person suddenly becomes an idealistic situation, yeah, then yes.
So if I tell you India is corrupt, your views on that?
Yeah, India is corrupt. The whole world is corrupt. So everything in the world is corrupt.
When the word corruption is put forward to you, what is the thing that comes to your mind?
Obviously, the first thing that comes to my mind is politics.
Okay. Do you believe corruption is part of the day-to-day life?
Part of my day-to-day life.
As in general question.
Yeah, it's there. It's an element of our day-to-day life. I can't neglect it. It's part. Obviously, there will be some negatives and positives. So yeah, obviously, I support. Yeah. It's
Okay,
there.
so you can think of ways to avoid corruption or reduce the level of corruption?
There are ways actually, but just stick to the basic principles of whatever we are doing.
So
So
basically you want to say your own ethics, just follow your own ethics.
the ethics, like the principles, whatever we are doing, just stick to the basic principles, and that will do to an extent.
So if you're given a choice to get your work done in a normal way or an easier way, which one would you prefer?
I would prefer the normal.
For the normal way. So if I tell you a statement, India is corrupt, would you agree with me or you disagree with me?
I will agree because yes, to an extent, yeah, India is corrupt, and
Okay, when the word corruption is put forward to you, what is the thing you associate it with?
The government, any country, it's always corrupt.
Okay. So you believe corruption is like so engrossed in your day-to-day life?
Yeah, it is. It is totally. From even to get rid of a fine from a police cop to paying off the TC, so everywhere there.
Can you think of ways to get rid of corruption?
By killing its source, yeah, but still, I don't think so it's going to help much.
I think it's just embedded deep in the society.
Yeah, it's very deep.
It's part of your life now.
Yeah.
So when I say to get your work done in a normal way or an easier way, which one would you prefer?
Easier way, of course. Who wants to wait so I know for a longer time and still don't get the work done?
Okay. And I think when I tell you India is corrupt, you think it's a true statement or a false statement?
Yeah, there's this line which says there are three things we never stop in India: corruption, population, and pollution.
Okay, thank you so much.